Hey, London. Hi, pretty girl. What you see? What is that? What is that? Oh! Oh! Did you sneeze?
I don't know why she's so tired. She gets
Did you sneeze?
I think she just gets really
Hey!
overwhelmed when she wakes up and then all these people here.
Yeah.
This dog hears it grows.
See your pretty Easter dress. Uh-uh.